for the professors, for the universities that have pushed very, very hard on this. And we really feel that Labor has tried to hide the problems of mental health from mainstream Australia. If that changes today, that we agree with that.
And just a copy of the published
We won't be talking about copying anything. We want to see the resources. We want to see them rolling out in the next 12 months and not being delayed 3 years into the end of the estimates. I think everyone's unified. We need to have action on mental health. We've seen the key speakers talking about that over the last couple of days, and if Labor finally catches up, it will only be because they've been dragged into this budget to do it. In Indigenous health, I think Tony Abbott has already said the absolute non-negotiables of civil society, kids going to school and people being offered work, and if that work is offered, taking it up. So I'll be looking not so much at the amount of money but the way it's targeted, because again the Labor government really has a record of having watered down the mutual obligation elements of the intervention, and you can see that because when that intervention came in the first 12 months, attendance at school rose significantly. Then over the last 2 years it's all plateaued and in some cases starting to fall. Alcohol, family violence notifications rising again. So what we've actually found is when you paralyse the entire system and you quarantine everyone, well, what's the reward for those who adhere to social norms, and how are you placing more pressure on those who don't adhere to them? We're left in suspended animation. As I've said, the intervention is like a person in an ICU, tubes everywhere, but actually no treatment happening and nothing changing.
So is the second intervention the answer though?
Look, I don't want to start using words like intervention. I want us to talk about improving what's happening out there and taking new steps. And let's take the easy first step, and that's making sure kids go to school. And if not, there should be some, as there is in the rest of Australia, implications for parents. You simply cannot, in mainstream Australia, not send your kids to school unless you make arrangements for homeschooling. It has to be the same. We have schools in every one of these communities. There's no excuse for 60% of kids to be running around and hanging around the store. We need to restore the focus in Indigenous Australia on schools, because schools are the future. We don't want families hanging around food stores or sick bays or health clinics. The future of these communities is in school, and once that begins, the rest can follow. And also the other way around, until you do that, the money we're spending today is being wasted.